Hey guys, this is Unpossible POG. Today I shall show you the easiest way to create pagination for your web page using PHP, JavaScript and phpmyadmin, that is MySQL. As you can see, I have a table in database called employee with 10 entries and I created a program to fetch all data from the database. When you click on button, it will show you the dynamic output without refreshing the page. I want you to copy this code from the description and perform same thing as I show you. First, comment the echo line. Now above and below the button tag, add PHP tag, and above the PHP tag create a loop, a for loop. Divide number of rows by 2. 2 is because I want 2 rows inside each page. So according to my calculation, there should be 5 buttons displaying on the page. Here we go. Now remove, click here sign and add PHP tag and echo I variable. Now let's check the result. In single quote after the inner HTML, add the PHP tag and echo $i, which you will see the dynamic output on each button click. Now remove $i after inner HTML and copy paste the queries. Change their name to SQL1, result1 and row1. Now we are very close to the output. Now add a limit to queries. At each page we want 2 rows to create, so create a variable before for loop. Now after while loop, add a limit by 2. We get what we want. Let's change limit to 4. But the problem is that if I change limit to 4 result per page, it won't show you the last 2 data. So create another variable called final limit equals to 4. Give +1 in for loop. So we successfully created a pagination for web page. Share this video with your colleagues and teachers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.